Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to solve this problem that 3 plus 4 whole square is equal to what? So first of all, here we write solution. Then here we write 3 plus 4 whole square is equal to 3 plus 4 multiplied by 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 whole square is equal to 3 plus 4 multiplied by 3 plus 4. 2 times 3 plus 4. So now here we multiply 3 with 3. So you see the 9 plus here we multiply 3 with 4. 3 for the 12. And now here we write plus 4 3 the 12. So right here 12 and plus 4 for the 16. So we write here 16. So now here we add them, so it's equal to 9 plus 12 is equal to 21 plus 12 plus 16. Now 21 plus 12 is equal to 33 plus 16. So now 33 plus 16 is equal to 49. So 49 is our answer.